Welcome to Flavors and Fragrance Recipes. So today I'm making mashed potato, and for this I have taken half kg of potatoes, butter and warm milk. So let's begin. So I've taken a pan and I've put enough water and salt, and I'm going to cook these potatoes for 20 to 25 minutes until they are nicely done. I'm going to cover it with a lid and cook it, and then we will smash it and make them into mashed potato recipe. Okay, so let's cook it for 20 to 25 minutes. So it's been like 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and our potatoes are cooked nicely. I can see that, and now I'm going to drain the water and then we will proceed further. As you can see, I have drained my water, and now I'm going to transfer these potatoes into my bowl, and I'm going to smash it up completely first with my spoon, and then later on I'm going to smash it with my blender. So let's do it. You can also smash it with this potato smasher, and then we will blend it so that it's smooth, and then we will further continue the recipe. So let's smash this completely right now in this bowl. Okay, so I'm further smashing it with my blender like this because I want it a smooth mashed potato. And then now we will transfer it into another bowl, and I'll show you the process further. So as you can see, after it is smashed with that blender, it is like this, very smooth. There should be no lumps. Okay, and now we are going to transfer all this into a pan along with milk and butter. So let's do it. So as you can see, we have taken a pan. I've taken a non-stick pan, and now I'm going to add my butter first. I'm going to melt the butter. You can take plain butter or garlic butter as per your wish. I have taken garlic butter. My flame is on low. Be generous when it comes to butter because we are making a creamy mashed potato over here. And now we're going to melt this butter. Butter is getting melted and my flame is on high. I'm going to switch it on low flame now, and I'm going to transfer my mashed potatoes into this first, and then slowly I'm going to add the milk. Now we have taken 1 cup of milk, but it's not necessary that you have to finish the entire 1 cup. It depends on what kind of consistency you want in your mashed potato, how much thick and creamy and smooth you want. So let's first put some salt and mix it, and then slowly add our milk. Remember that if you're using garlic butter like how I have use a little less salt because there is salt in the butter also. And now slowly I'm going to add my warm milk, and I'm going to mix it. So let's mix it, and in between check for the salt. I'm going to put on more milk. Okay, so I don't think I want more milk. I have used just half a cup. So this depends on you, how much consistency, smoothness you want in your mashed potato. Okay, my gas is on low flame. Let me just mix it nicely, and I'm going to check the salt consistency also. Now adding garlic butter or plain butter is your choice. You can also add just plain butter and make it, if you don't want it garlicky. So I'm going to increase my flame a bit, medium flame. I'm going to cook this, and basically I want it to not stick to my pan. When it's not sticking to my pan, it is ready. That's the indication. Okay, so let's cook it for some time till the entire milk is evaporated and it's smooth and nice. So let's taste the consistency of salt over here first. The salt is less, so I'm going to put some salt now. This is a very quick recipe for kids tiffin or something on the side. If you have grilled fish or grilled chicken made. Okay, so let me mix it now and we should be good. Increasing my flame, and butter is something which you can add if you want it more smoother and creamier. You can also add cream if you want. I'm not going to add that now. I don't want my cream because I don't want to make it very heavy dish. This is my regular mashed potato recipe without the cream. And see this? It's going to be dry in the end and it should not stick to my pan. That's an indication that my recipe is done. I'm adding a little butter to it. At this point it's like this. You can see this? It's not sticking to my pan. But I'm going to cook it for another 5 minutes. And then serve hot. This can go into your kids' tiffin also along with garlic bread. Subscribe to my channel, Flavors and Fragrance, home cooking made with love. And I'll come again soon with some new interesting recipe. This time I took a long gap in my YouTube recipe because I was a bit busy with my son. He had fallen down, so he had a leg injury, so I couldn't post. But I promise I'll post frequently once in a week. So share this recipe with your loved ones. Subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you have tried this recipe in your kitchen and if you liked it. And now I'm going to take this off the flame and my mashed potato is ready to serve. So until next time, it's bye from Deepali. See you soon on Flavors and Fragrance.